The DraftMax Ultra is a workbench that provides extraction and filtration for welding and grinding applications. Suitable for GMAW, TIG, FCAW, stick, grinding and cutting, it is equipped with a backdraft kit for optimum division of the extraction capacity. Three-way spark arrestor. It comes with a 3-stage pre-filtration system for optimum spark arresting. It is placed underneath work grid, which prevents it from reaching the filter cartridges. Efficient self-cleaning. Whenever the pressure on the gauge reaches 1,400 pascals, it is suggested to either clean or replace the filters. Easy maintenance from the front. Maintenance can be carried out from the front of the DownDraft table. This makes it easy to replace filters and to empty the dust trays.